Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you would replace what they call the map light, which are these two lights. But you replace them individually. We're going to go over how to replace this and your dome light. So to start with, you're going to want a good small screwdriver or a non-marring tool. If you're using a screwdriver, you may want to use a good piece of paper towel or some type of shirt. And you'll see we need to pry right here. Actually, works just good. Just like that. If you just pry nice and gently right here, you'll get this to come out. And then the light is right there. This light here, which these are just a the 12V8W light. Local auto parts store, tell them what you're looking at, they'll tell you what light you need, or buy them online. And then you just snap it back in, check to make sure that it works, and the same thing, you will just pop this back on, just like that, and that's how you replace that. Now we'll go to the dome light. It's behind me. So this one's the center dome light that will come on either via the switch or when you open the door. And on this one you'll see some indents that are right here at the back. It's the one side. And you're just kind of getting in there and you're pushing it forward. And once you've pushed it forward, then this whole thing will come down. And that's hot. You would just go ahead and remove that, pull the light bulb out, okay? And you would pull the light bulb out and put your new one in when it needs to be replaced. Yeah, still hot. So, and then once you've put the new one back in, you're just gonna go ahead, start from that side and rock it in and lock it back up in place. And that's how you replace your dome light and your map light in your Honda Fit. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.